Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this is very important update which has come from QPECA, and it is about the fee structure and the counseling eligibility. So it is very important to understand the overall process and the eligibility before you want to pay the counseling registration fees, right? So this is the letter which is released today. You can see 24th May 2024 is the date. Centralized single window counseling for engineering and the architecture seats. So that is the title, and if you can see, it talks about that the Comet-K has decided to start the process of counseling, and hereby all interested candidates who have qualified Comet-K UGET can register for the counseling, which is as per the schedule published. And the most important thing is about the eligibility criteria. So for engineering, students should have done second PUC 12th standard, and they should have got at least 45% of marks. And English should be one of the subjects. So English should be one of the language, and you should have got minimum 45% marks in aggregate of physics and mathematics as a compulsory subject, and out of the other subject, chemistry, biotechnology, biology, electronics, computer science, those are optional. So total aggregate of 3 subjects should be 45%, and for SC, ST and OBC candidates 40% is also enough. But for SC, ST, OBC candidates should be from Karnataka, and they should put the domicile certificate, which I have explained in the other video. So this is about the eligibility, right? Similarly, the eligibility for the architecture is also same, and for the architecture group of students, 10+2 scheme, and they should have also aggregate 50% marks in physics, chemistry and maths. So it is here more criteria than the engineering students, 50% for architecture. And similar, or they should have done 10+2 examination or 10+3 diploma with maths and as a compulsory subject and 50% marks, then they are eligible. So those are the eligibility for engineering and the architecture. And similarly, architecture students should have also qualified the NATA exam, right, which is conducted by NTA, right? So that is an important thing. And the tuition fee and the other fees for 2024 is yet to be decided, but this is what was available from the last year. So possibly they will retain the same amount, right, which is 2,37,706. This is for the top notch colleges. So top 25 colleges approximately will charge this as fees for CSC, even for EC, even for biotechnology, civil, mechanical, all the branches. Those top 25-30 colleges will charge 2,37,000. But other colleges which are beyond 25,000, they are not in top 25-30 colleges, but they are also good colleges, and they feel that their students may not pay higher fees. So those type of colleges will charge you only 1,69,192 even for your CSC and ECE branches, right? So based on that, you can do your choice filling later, and each of the colleges fees will be given later. This is just to give the idea from the last year. So this is the idea from the last year, and you can expect 10% increase also. And apart from this, all the colleges will also charge you other fees. Other fees, there is cap of around 30 to 40,000 you can expect every year as a other fees. So total fees, if you want to give on the top notch colleges, it will be around 2.7 to 2.8 lakh rupees per year approximately, including other charges and the tuition fees, right? So that is approximate fees which you will be getting. And that next is detailed counseling document is hosted on the cometk.org website, and I will also create some videos about the overall counseling process which is mentioned there. So that's all update from the Comet-K authority side, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates. Take care and bye.